Country used to flex its muscle with battleships like the USS Iowa, the world would listen. It's time we return to the America I remember. Hi, I'm William Devane. There are dangerous forces everywhere pulling our country apart, threatening our economy and our
A civil authority has issued a local area emergency for the following counties or areas. Kenosha, Wisconsin, at 5:11 p.m. on July 22nd, 2021, effective until 6:11 p.m. From Kenosha, a person with unusual powers has been spotted in the city of Kenosha, Wisconsin. An individual has been spotted near downtown Kenosha wearing a pointed hat and slipping some form of potion into the drinks of people attending bars in downtown Kenosha. The persons whose drinks were poisoned have then been reported to become ill and then turn into a frog. Upon further investigation, the Kenosha Police Department confirmed that this individual is a witch. This witch remains at large, and the Kenosha Police Department asks that you call them if you see an individual with a pointed hat. Symptoms that you are about to be turned into a frog include but are not limited to headache, fever, nausea, vomiting, muscle pain, and fatigue. If you have any of these symptoms, you are urged to call 911 immediately. Kenosha Emergency Management will continue to investigate this situation. Remain tuned to news outlets for all of the latest updates on this situation.
We're looking at heavy rains until the end of
Whatever you want to do out there, we've got the truck to get it done.